What is difference Microsoft Copilot 365 and MS Office 21? Microsoft has two powerful Office tools, but which one should you actually use? Let's break down Microsoft 365 Copilot versus Office 2021 in the simplest way possible. Office 2021 is a one time purchase. You pay once and you own it forever. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a subscription and it includes AI powered features that help you work faster. With Office 2021, you get classic apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but no AI assistance. With Microsoft 365 Copilot, you get everything in Office, plus smart AI tools that can write, summarize, and even create presentations for you. Here's where Copilot really shines. It can write emails in seconds, analyze Excel data instantly, and turn simple prompts into full presentations. Office 2021 is cheaper upfront. You pay once. Microsoft 365 Copilot costs more over time since it's a subscription, but you're paying for continuous updates and AI features. So which one is right for you? Choose Microsoft Office 2021 if you want a simple offline tool with no extra cost. Go for Microsoft 365 Copilot if you want productivity boost, automation, and cutting edge AI. And that is the difference between Microsoft 365 Copilot and MS Office 2021.